looking at me, I'm looking back.
Hi you all, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far.
Today, we're showing you some bargain finds from Amazon. Most of these prices are still valid on Amazon and they're very low for the products that they are.
Yeah, so they went on sale just before Black Friday, and I think the prices may continue till end of Christmas. Some of them have gone up by $10 or $20, and some are still at the same price. And we just not found just good prices. We found some amazing products that can be very, very useful to you.
Yes, so we hope you like them. If you want to see more videos of this, like, subscribe, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it.
So the first product that we're going to talk to you about is a Cuisinart GR 150 PT Griddler Deluxe brush stainless steel, and we basically just use it as
a panini press.
As a panini press. We use it to make tacos. We use it to make quesadillas. I mean, all sorts of things, sandwiches or whatever. Now this particular one, the normal price on this is $299, and we were able to score it for $127.99 plus tax. And I think it was an amazing buy that we could get it at that price. Now this amazing thing about this particular griddler is that there's a removable tray at the back where you can actually remove any oil that falls into it. When you open it up, these plates are removable. So if I press this, you can see the plates are removable, and you can turn it over and flip it over, and you can make pancakes here or whatever. And it's much safer if you have teen tweens for them to use this instead of the stove top or gas,
because there's no open fire.
There's no open fire. So this was, I think, an amazing score, and I will link it down, and I will also put the picture of where we got this. Right now it is selling for $159 on Amazon. And
so slightly higher, but still a great deal for this product.
Yeah, instead of $299 is selling for $159. So still, it's an amazing product. It has all these knobs in the front where you can control the heat. The oil tray is really helpful. And of course, you can take out the plates to wash them, and the plates are dishwasher safe.
And you can take them both out, not just one.
Yeah, you can take out both the plates. You can put them in the dishwasher to clean it. So in terms of cleaning and usage, I think this is an amazing one. It has a button at the back where you can take the plates off on the side.
And this top bit is movable. You just gotta lock it in place if you want it there.
And also, you can use it just to heat the product. So if you're making, say, a sandwich and you just want the top to be heated, that can be done on this. So it is a very, very versatile plate. We had something similar, but it was a smaller piece, and we used it for about, I would say, 7 years. And it was on the last legs of its life, and it was very hard to clean that. So if you want a detailed presentation or detailed review on this one, let me know down below, and we will do a detailed.
And another feature real quick is that you can make it flat.
And yes, you can make it flat. So if where is the button for making it flat? Just hang on, I have forgotten.
We're still figuring her out.
No, it's right here. So this is how it goes flat, and you can make 2 sandwiches or 2 something here. You can use it. If you flip this over, you can make pancakes on this. Similarly, you can do the same with this. Then you can put the button up and it locks back in, and you can keep it till here by here you go. So if you want something, so if you have a sandwich which is thicker and you want it to be at this level, then you can make it at this level. So if you want a detailed review of this, we can do a detailed review, and you can take a look at it, and I can compare it with the one that we had earlier, which was a smaller one, but we did use that for 7 years. So this, I think, is an amazing buy. So on to the next product. So the second product we're going to talk about is this hair braid stuff that we were able to order from Amazon. This cost $5.10, and we will do a separate video just for Jan where we will use these products. So let's open this and see what we got.
I think it's at the bottom. I think it's at the bottom.
So in terms of volume or what all we got, there is a lot of stuff that we got. There is stuff to make braids, there is stuff to make buns, there are hair clips, and I'm dropping stuff on the floor.
I opened it. Finally.
There is, I think these are rubber bands.
I have even more.
There is something to make some fancy braids.
I have the same
There's
fancy
bun
thing.
clips.
There's another one. And there's like clips.
This is to make
That's
a French braid, and it gives you the directions at the back. This is to make a
There's
bun.
this, and there's also this.
And this is called, what is this called?
Topsy-turvy.
Topsy-turvy
I have
bands.
a lot of them.
Yeah,
They're so
there's a
cute.
hairband in here, which is cute. And these are some hair accessories to make a bun. So we are going to try all of these products. These products were very cheap. They were about $5.10 per packet. So we were able to score these. And I will have a video just with Jan to show how we can use these products. Of course, she can show you how the hairband works right now, because that's the easy part.
There we go. Oh my God.
And in terms of quality, this was pretty good quality. This looks like pretty good quality product. I don't know how easy it will be to use them, but we're going to give it our best try. So these are the products that we have. And look out for that video. Jan, are you excited about that video?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll wait for that video, and so let's go on to the next product. So the next product is this belt that I found okay, in the men's section. So I thought this belt buckle was really nice. It has a H alphabet. I mean, if you think about it, it could be Hermes, but of course it's not. This is just an H belt, and the material of this belt is leather. So it has a faux croc leather print, but it is leather, and this belt looked really nice to me. I thought, okay, sometimes, you know, you want to wear a belt on your jeans and it looks nice. So I got this belt, and it was just $17.99. So I think it was well worth the price of buying a belt for $17. Sometimes you're just, you know, wanting to just wear it. So I thought that was a good price. So this is the second product. So on to the next product now.
Okay, guys. So the next product is this Xme Enzyme XL Gentle Exfoliating Papaya Facial Scrub. So as we know, papaya is really good for your face, very hydrating and refreshing. So there's that. And this one's supposed to be really gentle. This one's a Pharma Angel, which is supposed to be really good and gentle. This is $25, and it's sold by Beauty Revolution. It's a really good product. It wasn't really a bargain per se, but it is just a really good product for a pretty good price or something like this. And we just wanted to throw it in here.
So the next product is this. I ordered a stout bag. I've had my eye on this for a couple of months. It was shipped by Amazon, but it came in a Shop Pop. It had a Shop Pop brochure in it. What else? And it had a thank you card and whatever, and the return policy and stuff like that. And the bag is so beautiful, I can't even start to tell you. Now this bag is generally in the hundreds of dollars, and there was a sale on this, and I got it for $90. So as soon as I saw that sale, I immediately pounced on it and bought this bag. Let me see what it says on this. It does not say the price on this, but it's a brand called Staud, S-T-A-U-D, and it's a very high quality bag. It is a mesh bag, so if I take the inner piece out, it is transparent, as you can see, and it's a gorgeous bag to have. Absolutely a gorgeous bag to have. All the other things besides the mesh is leather, and then you get an inside piece here in which you can put your stuff that you don't want to show around. And I'm going to just get all the stuffing out of this. It also comes with a long strap, which is this one, and a dust bag which says Stout on it. So and of course this has quite a lot of space in it. You can put a lot of stuff. This also has a lot of space, especially if you go to places where they don't want you to carry bags which are not transparent. This is a good bag for that. Now in terms of let me just see. Okay, let me just open this and show you how it looks with a full strap. I have not even opened this bag. I wanted to open it on camera to show it to you people. That, there you go. So this is the long bag. You can make it into a crossbody. The hooks for this are on the inside. So that's a pretty detail on the bag. So this is how it is, and I'll just put the other one in and I'll show you how it looks on a crossbody style. There you go. So when you have this bag, you can hang it like this. Let me just take this thing off. It's just throwing me off a little bit. There you go. So you can see how beautiful this bag looks as a crossbody. It's a gorgeous bag to take anywhere where you don't have a lot of stuff to take with you. But otherwise, and the color is like almost a cream, and it's a beautiful bag. So I love this, and I've been wanting this and lusting over it for a very long time, and I kept it in my cart till the price went down, and it did. Currently it's not available, but you can put it in your cart and you can have a notification come to you, and you can see when you might be able to get this. And I actually do this with a lot of bags. When I want to buy something and it's very expensive, I wait and see at special occasions like Black Friday or Christmas or whatever. If the price goes down, that's when I swoop in and buy the bag. So yeah, this is a great bag to have. On to the next product. So the next product is from House Laboratories. Now House Laboratories you can buy on Amazon, and we saw an amazing price drop on Black Friday. It was down to 50%, and so we got as many products as we could. Things like lipsticks were around $14, and eyeshadow, there was some bronze eyeshadow. I think we'll go with this one. So I'll tell Ria to show you all the products while I tell you the prices. So let's go first for the palette. Let's show the palette first. So it comes like this, so beautifully packed and so safe for travel. Now this, let me see what it retails for. It generally retails for $34, and we bought it for $17.
And this is the palette Fame. This is the palette Fame. And it says on the box.
Yeah. It's called #1 Fame 10 Shade Eyeshadow Palette.
Here's also our first look at it.
Ooh, that's gorgeous. Don't take that one. So that's gorgeous. It has all these beautiful shades, so you could create all kinds of look with the shade, glam looks, simple looks, everyday
And starting
looks.
up here, going down, Cake, Spotlight, Applause, Cameo, Curtain, Shimmy, Comfort, Slipper Room, Scotch, and Top Hat.
I think it's a gorgeous palette. And I have seen, while using these products, that House Laboratory products are amazing quality. I mean, they're not only stunning to look at, but they are an amazing quality. I mean, I used to have a lot of problem with the pencil liners and the sketch liners, and I have not had a single problem. I can just make a flick and the eyeliner with a simple line quickly, and it's cut down my little eyeliner wearing to half the time. So the next product that we're going to show you is this one, which is I think it is
Lipstick. This one's a lipstick.
It's a lipstick.
Mm-hmm.
Can you open that?
It's in the color Rye. So here it is. It's a lip gloss. I'll come up there and show you guys. Here's the packaging, how the packaging looks like. It just came like that, and you just unscrew the top. And it's this gorgeous brown color. It's a lip gloss, I'm pretty sure.
It's a liquid eyeshadow.
Liquid eyeshadow, yeah, that makes more sense.
And this normally retails for $20 and we got it for $10.
I'll just do a little swatch on my hand to show you guys. That's how the color looks. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Oh yeah, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Okay. So the next product that we're going to show you is another liquid eyeshadow. It's called the Froze Bronze.
That one was in the color Rye as a refresher. Again, it comes in the same packaging of the sculpted cap in the bottom.
I think I love the cap. It looks so beautiful, right? Like
it does.
The packaging is so beautiful.
This is the color. It's slightly more pinker toned than our last one. Again, I've just put a swatch on my hand to show you. Here on the left is the first one, or whichever one. And here is this one, Frozen Bronze.
Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, the next product is this lip crayon. It's called, the shade is called Pusher. Again, we got it for $10 and it retails for $18.
Sorry, these lip ones are taped on.
Oh, okay.
Extra protection.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
So here's the color. And I will again just swatch it on my hands, even though it is a lip line. There we go. That is our very first lip liner. It's a dark wineish color. See?
Yeah, I think there is one more. Okay, the next one that we're going to open, just open one, please.
Okay, this one is called Wine Mouth. So this is
so that's another lip crayon, and it's called Wine Mouth.
Here's the color. And it looks really similar to the other one. But as you can see, this one is much darker than this one. Side-by-side comparison. And this is the color. It's this gorgeous color. I will just swatch it right next to the last one. And so this is the first one, and this smaller line is Wine Mouth.
Okay, so this is, what is this?
It's a liner.
So this is the liner that I was talking to you about. I love this liner. I got one in black because I have one more that I'm already using.
And it's in the shade Punk.
Punk is the black one.
See, right there. That kind of a straight line.
And we got this for $10. And this is a brown liner. This is a brown liner, again the same price, and it retails for $18.
The brown one is right above it, right there.
Sorry, it retails for $20. So we did get a 50% off on that. This is again the black one. So these are the things that we got from Haus Laboratories. I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and I know that they will be coming up on sale hopefully again during Christmas, and that's the time that you should swoop in and buy this. The quality of the products is really amazing. The colors are stunning, but the quality is also really amazing. So
no smudge, nothing smudging.
Yeah, and nothing smudges. So like as you can see, I'm putting it, I have it on my eye, and it does not smudge. So I love the liner. So on to the next product. So the next product and the second last product are these Vince Camuto boots. They generally retail for around $99 to $120, depending. I don't know, sometimes the size also changes the price of the boots. And I was able to get them for $67. I've had my eye again on these boots for quite some time. I can see they're beautiful boots. The front of the boot is completely leather and the back is fabric. So it's a very comfortable fit on the legs. and the toe is rounded, like it's almost like an almond kind of a toe. The heel is probably like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. I think it's more of a 1/4 inch, or I think it's a 1/4 inch. And I've been looking forward to these boots for quite some time. They just hit, I think, just above the knee. And I got in Vince Camuto, when I buy boots, I buy a half size up. So I did buy a 7.5 on this, but generally I'm a 7. But boots and booties, I generally try to go like a half size up, because the fit remains very comfortable. So I will just wear them and just model them for you, and I'll just be back with that. So these are how the boots look on. As you can see, they're a gorgeous pair. The fit of the boot is really, really, really amazing. I should have folded my jeans a little bit, but I didn't. I just wanted to throw them on and show you how comfortable they are. They just hit above the knee, and because they have this flap, which is a little bit higher than the back, walking is also very, very comfortable. And of course, it looks like a gorgeous pair of boots. So yeah, I think if you get these on a sale, for sure, snag them. Vince Camuto is known for its beautiful workmanship, and it's also known for very good quality boots and all kinds of shoes as well, sandals. So I love these boots, and I hope you try them out. Okay, the last product that we have is called the Renko Clear Foldable Boot Storage Boxes, and it's a 5-pack. I have not opened it up because I wanted to see when we do open it, how easy is it to make them, because they come out folded.
So if you guys see some minor struggling, we need the instructions.
Oh, we need the instructions? Okay. This 5-pack comes for $18.99. And the reason why I ordered it is when we go into the summer and we stop wearing the boots, I wanted to keep my boots in a safe way. So I found this, and I'm like, let's try this on. That's how it is.
Okay. The other side.
So it is very easy to make. It literally took us seconds, and we were able to make this. So you can keep your boots in this so they don't get dirty through the summer.
So I'll just go ahead and put it.
So they don't get dirty in the summer, and I like to just plop them up in the closet and put them in a file, so that they're like almost like filed there, and they are neat and clean. And when again fall comes in, I can take my boots out and start wearing them again.
I bought some boots for my last half, and I'll put them in nicer than this, of course. So we'll grab this. One of them will go upside down.
Yeah.
You know, these are boots, and you'll just kind of hold it there, and then you just kind of, lock it in place like so.
And then of course these can be kept, it can be kept almost like a file in a row. You can have like 10 boxes, 20 boxes, 30 boxes, or you can stack them whichever way you want, and your boots are safe in here. So this was the last product that we wanted to show from Amazon, which we thought was an amazing product that we got during the season. We've loved each and every product. There's some that we opened and we started using them, and some that we kept just to show you.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like and subscribe, and tell us what videos you want to see in the future, and which one was your favorite product.
So it was good having you here. We appreciate each one of you, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.